Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to.
Hey, hello and welcome to our another video, and in this video we are going to solve the AKVB past papers of class 10th mathematics. And in this video we are going to solve the question that is from linear equation and inequality. So we are going to solve the question that is from the past paper 2012, and we know that we have got two questions from this chapter and we have to attempt one. So first of all, let's solve the part A of this question. In part A, we have got a simple linear equation. We have to find the solution set. Equation is x over 3 minus 2 minus x over 4 equals to 1 minus x over 6. So लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे हम LCM ले लेते हैं 4 एंड 3 का जो LCM है वो आ जाएगा 12 एंड न्यूमरेटर विल बी इक्वल्स टू 4x माइनस एंड 3 इंटू 2 माइनस x. तो ये हमारे पास LCM लेने के बाद form हो जाएगी equation on the left hand side, and for right hand side again we will take the LCM 6 and it will become 6 minus x. Further इसे solve करते हैं. So 4x minus 6 plus 3x will be equals to 6 minus x divided by 6 multiplied by 12. तो साथ साथ हमने इस 12 को भी इक्वेशन की दूसरी साइड पर शिफ्ट कर दिया. Then 6 and 12 will be cancelled out, so remaining equation will become this 4 and this 3 will become 7. X minus 6 is equal to 6 2s are 12 minus 2x. इस 2 को हमने 6 minus x के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. देन फर्दर इसे सॉल्व करें तो 2x को हम शिफ्ट कर देते हैं यहाँ पर और 6 को शिफ्ट कर देते हैं राइट साइड पर. सो 7x प्लस 2x will be equals to 12 plus 6 and 9x will be equals to 18. So in this way x will become 2. So this is the solution of our linear equation in part A. Okay, so now we will see the part B of this question, and in the part B we have the modulus inequation, so inequality. So let's see how to solve this modulus inequality. So negative of modulus 2x minus 7 is greater than minus 1, whereas x belongs to the natural number. So first of all we will multiply both sides with minus 1 to cancel out the negative sign with the modulus. So this modulus becomes modulus of 2x minus 7, and when we are multiplying with the negative number, so we reverse the sign of inequality. So this sign will be reversed and it will become plus 1, and then we will expand this modulus. So 2x minus 7 is less than plus 1 and 2x minus 7 is greater than minus 1. मॉड्यूलस को एक्सपेंड किया हमने विद पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव नंबर. पॉजिटिव के साथ इनइक्वालिटी विल रिमेन सेम, जबकि नेगेटिव के साथ इनइक्वालिटी रिवर्स हो जाएगी. सो 2x इज लेस देन 7 प्लस 1, सो x विल बी लेस देन 8 over 2 and x is less than 4. ये हमारे पास आ गई वैल्यू ऑफ x फ्रॉम वन साइड. अदर साइड को सॉल्व करते हैं. सो 2x विल बी ग्रेटर देन minus 1 plus 7 and 2x is greater than 6 or x is greater than 3. So ये हमारे पास वैल्यू आ गई x की फ्रॉम दी अदर साइड ऑफ द मॉड्यूलस इनइक्वालिटी. So as we can see that question state that x belongs to the integers, natural numbers, x belong करते हैं natural number से, और हमारा जो solution है for x, it states that x is greater than 3 but less than 4. So we know that the x3 is a natural number, 4 is the next natural number, and there is no natural number between 3 and 4. 3 और 4 के बीच में हमारे पास कोई natural number नहीं होता. So in this way our solution will be equal to empty set. हमारा जो solution है वो हो जाएगा empty set.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to